Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. And today the Mayrings are here at home to visit us. And I'm preparing myself because I need to do rebonding. As you guys can see, it's already curly here on top. So I'm ironing my hair a little bit. And later I'm gonna show you everybody. I'm not sure if my husband's sisters are gonna want to be in the video, but we'll see. So today we're gonna have feijoada, typical Brazilian black beans with lots of different kinds of meat and barbecue. Also, Flavio and Silvana are gonna be here. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm done with my hair. Morning! Preparing for the salad. Busy in the kitchen as usual. I'm preparing some salad here. Let me show you properly. I have here some salad. Then I'm gonna put some cucumbers and carrots. Farofa that my father-in-law cooked. We have here Kobe. And the feijoada. Mix mo ma. That's a lot.
Yummy, guys. Kain.
Ang laki yan.
Isang kalderong laki.
And my mom is gonna prepare Brazilian rice because it's the one that matches feijoada. Well, for them. For me, I like our Japanese rice. Salad, beautiful. Very colorful. Now we're gonna add some onions. I have to make the salad sauce.
Sabi ko sa'yo, higit na.
Brazilian rice with onion and garlic in olive oil.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you.
Everything is ready. We're just waiting for our visitors because they went out with my husband. They're all arriving soon. Just waiting for them. The house is ready. It's all clean and nice. Beautiful. So, yeah. My sister-in-law is here.
She's gonna be there at the back.
It's okay. And she brought us pasalubong from, do you know what flag is this? England. So, she brought us some sweets from England. This is a popping candy. And some shirts for the girls. Oh, you like this much, eh? And, oh, shirt. We got chocolates. Celine's, Marcella's, and my mom and me, we share. We got biscuits, cookies, some coins.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't bring anything specifically for you. I just brought for family. Like the coffee, the chocolate, and cookies. Like,
No, we share.
yeah,
Sure.
that's what I thought. Sorry.
You don't have to worry. Thank you.
Thank you. Or
No, it's okay.
it's okay.
So thank you, sis. We
Thank
love
you,
it.
Tita Bin. Thank you,
It
Tita.
smells
Bin.
good. This is the real lavender. Oh. Okay.
Ay, aqui, quando eu puxo.
Ah, cheio de casa.
Saan lugar yan ang hindi na yung Pilipinas? Eu não tô sabendo achar onde estão as várias
Because I
coisinhas.
want to film, pai.
Hein?
Filmando, pai. Tudo bem? Tudo bem, né? They just said into Dubeng.
There's nothing to film.
No, there is.
Oh guys, kumpleto na lahat ang aming handa. Ready, rice.
Isa-isahin mo. Ito yung
Brazilian rice.
Brazilian rice.
Brazilian salad.
Salad.
Brazilian vegetable, Kobe. And Brazilian parupa. And talagang Brazilian sila. Pag ganyan ang mga handa nila guys. May pang tanggal ng umay.
May orange.
Orange.
So, kinakain yung orange with ano?
Kasama, sabay sa
Beans. Sa black beans.
Pag maglagay ka ng pisuada, kailangan mayroon din yan. Kaya pagkain mo, sabay mo yan. Para mawala yung yung parang alat o
Umay.
yun, natatanggal siya. Kaya huwag na kayo magtaka guys. Ganun talaga sila dito guys.
Oo. Ipakita mo yung peshwada mo.
Ito pala siya guys. Ang aming beans. Oh, look at guys.
Mainit pa ba?
Grabe guys. Oh.
Initin natin.
Yung sahog guys, grabe.
Ang dami.
4 na sahog yan guys.
May sausages.
May baka,
May baboy.
may baboy, at saka paa ng baboy.
Tenga ng baboy.
Yun guys.
Oh.
Dalawang klase na beans, black and white.
Yan.
Yun na ba
Ang dami naman yan. Maubos mo yan?
Hindi. Pag magluto sila guys ng beans, ganito. Dami. Yung talagang ka. Ganun sila.
Inaantay natin ang ibang bisita.
3 bisita ang darating pa, inaantay.
Itong salad sauce. Oh. Mustard and honey na ginawa ko. I made the sauce from Flavio's recipe.
Wait ma'am, sana yung mga glass saka cook.
Nandun pa, mamaya. At dito sa dining. Kahit ano. Dining, the place. And silverwares. Fala oi, Flavinha.
Essa você não tinha conhecido?
Ai.
Essa é minha irmã, Isabel. E essa é minha irmã, Gisele. A Gisele, Flavinha já tinha conhecido a Gisele?
Acho que já. Tudo bom?
Bom revê-lo.
Satisfação? Tudo bem. Os meninos.
This is cake, I think it's heavy. Banana cake. Time to eat.
Best time.
The best time. Let me see the beautiful art. It's my lunch. Kain na na. Dessert time, guys. We have crinkles, brownies, and this banana cake from Flavia and Silvana. And I have here the leche flan cake. Let's see if it's gonna be beautiful and good like the last time.
Tribunal, desembargador Menos aqui eu estou limitado. E já sabia fazer, eu vou aqui. Aí eu fui lá e
Let's see, guys. Kaya palang bigat, salamin. 1, 2, 3. Hindi siya makakita. Bakit? liit niya, ma. No? Oh, God. Baka hindi ito maganda. Ang hilaw yung gilid. Hmm? Bakit naging ganun? Kung kailan may bisita tayo, tsaka ganyan. So guys, lunch is over, but our visitors are still here and we are exhausted. Pagod po ngayon.
Grabe guys.
Daming ginagawa.
Ito lang ngayon na party, non-stop kami.
Oo, kasi stay in ang visitors.
Non-stop, tapos may dumating pa dalawa.
And syempre, kailangan mong mag-asikaso pag may bisita para walang masabi, no? So yun, dito kami ni Mama, cellphone muna. And today was Ate Emily's flight. We saw the videos. I think I'm gonna put some clips there for you guys to see.
Yun na. Basta ano, sabi ko na nga, may iiyak sa kanila eh. Basta ganda, antay kita. Kuya, obrigada. Obrigada, gente. Obrigada.
Si Quid. Ciao, Shang. Ciao, Sophie.
Ciao.
Ciao, Ayum.
Ciao. Ate, próximo dia, viu?
Até daqui 2 anos.
Ciao. Ganda, boa sorte.
Sikoy, pahawak mo sa kanila yan para mas madali sa immigration.
Salamat. Ganda, ingat.
Love you.
Obrigada.
Oh.
Ciao, gambate.
Bye-bye. Ingat.
It's sad day that Ate Emily's gone, but we are very happy for her entire family. They're gonna have a better life in Japan. But of course, we're gonna miss them.
Yeah, nagsama-sama na silang pamilya sa Japan. Yan, lumipad na sila. Kasi 2 o'clock yung flight nila.
Oo.
Kaya,
Ano oras na?
Ems. Happy trip, Ems. And see you again.
See you dito sa Facebook na lang. Alas 6 na, 4 na oras na rin silang nasa biyahe.
Kaapat na?
So, yun.
13 hours. Brazil at saka France. 13 hours plus France and Japan.
11.
11 hours. Ooh, wow. Ang dating
24
nila
hours.
Martis.
Mm.
Ang dating nila sa Japan, Martis ng hapon o gabi?
Ewan ko.
Umaga. Parang ganun.
Kahit pagod, di tayo mukhang pagod. O, di ba?
Sakit yung ulo ko, guys. Grabe.
Ako pagod eh. Pero may tawa.
Ay.
Aalis na rin sila in 30 minutes. Sila Giselle daw.
Oo. Yung hipag ni Hani, pauwi na rin, papunta na, babalik na, pagod na rin siya eh.
Oh, galing pa siya
Kasi
nagtrabaho.
may trabaho. Galing siya ng UK, tapos may trabaho siya dito sa Brazil, tapos uwi na rin siya ng UK.
Sa Miyerkules.
Merkulis. Yung biyanan ni Hani, uuwi sa Martes. Martes ng hapon?
Umaga.
Oh, ang tama-tama, nandito ako. Tapos updated pala guys, mayroon akong trabaho Lunes, bukas, saka Merkulis. Pero Martes wala. Mag-relax ako ng hanggang Sabado.
Oh. So, yun. Ay. Hindi ko nga napahilaw si Giselle dito. They're going home, guys. It's the next day. They're leaving. time check is 5:30 in the morning. They are waiting for their Uber. Ciao Pai, ciao Belinya. Uber is here.